For the complete recipe, please check out ivyskitchen.net. Heat up your oil and add your shallots. To this, I like to add my red chili flakes. You're going to saute this until the shallots soften. Add your mushrooms and red bell peppers, and don't forget to season with salt, pepper, and thyme. Please check out ivyskitchen.net for the complete recipe. If you recreate this recipe, please hashtag Ivy's Kitchen and tag me on Instagram, Ivy's Food. Add your turkey and green onions. Add your spinach and eggs. You want to let the eggs set before scrambling, so to set it, twirl your pan as shown. Once your egg sets, you can go ahead and start scrambling your eggs. Next, we are going to add the Parmesan cheese and Pecorino Romano. And because I love cheese, I finish this off with adding cheddar cheese. You can go ahead and check for your seasoning then to see if you need to add more salt and pepper. And that is how simple and easy it is to make my turkey scramble. Now grab a fork and take a bite. Thank you for watching Ivy's Kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe. For the complete recipe, please check out ivyskitchen.net. Until next time, happy cooking!